Good afternoon everyone. Welcome back muli sa ating live. This is our third game. Sa mga exciting part ng laro ang ating masasaksihan. Pagitan ng San Juan Integrated School versus the San Juan Central or San Juan Integrated. Galimba, no good. Rebound by Galimba. Pass number 18. Basket. First basket mula sa Pinag. Galing kay Galimba. Oh, steal by number 16. Flores. Ortiz. Pass to Flores. Pass to Galimba. Rep. Je. Wala. Uy, no good. And his score. Para kay Ortiz. Ay na, naka-pressure defense ang San Juan pinaglabanan. Number 4, no good.
Pabala!
Ortiz, no good. Si Aki. Marcos. Basket. Dral. Ay, thank you. Okay na. Thank you. Yes, a 3. Best. 3-point para kay 0-0.
Aki, set mo maayos, Aki!
Marcos, Aki. Pinasa loob. Get the shot. Basket.
Baba ka. Uli!
Number 18.
Uli!
Steal. Ay na. Aki na to. Basket yan. Change favor. Lamang na ang San Juan Integrated. Dral.
Aki, set mo maayos, Aki! Take your time! Nice one!
Marcos, floater, short, rebound.
Foul! Ikot mo!
Marcos for 3, no good. Rebound by Flores. Ayan na, si Flores. Uy. Oopsie, that's a traveling. Gilid ka. Masasunod ako yung bola. Sige, sige. Time out.
Ethan! Ethan!
Time remaining 4 minutes and 44 seconds.
Ating bola! Ating bola!
Bola ng San Juan Integrated School.
Bola! Set mo! Set mo!
Number 12.
Balik mo! Diskarte! Diskarte! Nice pass! Nice!
Oh, good. Number 3. Basket.
Depensa! Depensa! Buka ka
10-7.
lang! Huli! 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 Huli!
Oh, bad pass. Steal. Ayan na, nagmamadali.
One!
Basket. Time out. Pinaglabanan Elementary School. Time remaining 3 minutes and 59 seconds. Official score 12-7. Kaya natin ang huddle ng pinaglabanan.
Ethan!
Okay, back to the ball game.
Ating mo! Depensa! Depensa!
Bola rito ng San Juan.
Anabay!
Correction,
Huli!
pinaglabanan.
Huli!
Rald! Boy, good! Ayan na, number 21, all the way, no good.
Nice pass! Ayun! Come on! Nice one! Depensa! Depensa!
Basket.
Buka ka!
Steal.
Dalawa kayo! Dalawa kayo! Bigay agad! Bigay agad! Hulihan na ka! Huli! Hulihan! Huli! Hulihan! Nice pass! Huli! Kumana!
Oh, steal by Aki.
Bigay!
Sorry, that's Santos. Oh, good.
Huli! Huli!
Oh, steal.
Depensa! Depensa! Huli! Huli! Huli!
Rald! Araw-araw. Kasi lang, pre.
Huli!
Oopsie, out of bounds. Basket! May manalo.
Ethan, baba!
Integrated
Uli!
School.
Hoy, harap! Punta talikuran! Uli!
Unay tawid. Ay na, binigay sa corner. Manalo, no good. Rebound.
Side pass! Uli! Uli yan! Uli yan! Uli!
Oh, there's a foul. Thank you, pare. Sa mga... There's a foul. Same ball tayo. Last 23 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Oh, still. Ay na, out and pass. All the way. Oh, he missed the shot. Number 7, no good. And gets the basket for their putback. Ayan na, nagkakasayahan na ang San Juan Integrated. End of the first quarter, official score 24-9. Hadal ng pinaglabanan. Okay, back to the ball game. White, 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 white. White. White ball, Ortiz. Pass to Galimba. Back to 0-0. Oy! Grabe mo, no good. Ay na, number 6. Uy, failed by Ortiz. Ay na, double team. Na ba to? Naitawid. Pinasa. Using the glass. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ng Nolasco. Uy! Uy! Ay na si Nolasco. Ah! 26-9. Ay na ang pinaglabanan. Ortiz gets the 3. Short. Nice save. Nice save. Out of bounds and there's a foul. Where's foul, rep?
Hindi pwede. Kanina ko nasa yung coach ko ng teacher. Atatay, baba! Atatay! Nagkaan sa
Nolasco. Pass to number 3. Number 3.
Asa!
Number 8 to number 7. No good. Nakuha ni Ortiz. Ayan na si Ortiz. Nagmamadali. Dere-derecho. He missed the shot. Rebound by number 9. Pass to Nolasco. Nolasco nagmamadali. Tumira. Wala. Rebound again by Ortiz. Wait lang daw. Sabi ni Ortiz. Ortiz. Ayan na. Dribbling ng ball. Umatake. Running shot. No good. Rebound. Pass to 0-0. 4-3. Short. Makuha ng San Juan Central. Ayan na Central. Number 6. Number 6. Gets the layup. No good. Rebound by Lim. Lim, out that pass. Ortiz, all the way. No good. Rebound, makuha ni Nolasco. Nolasco with a cross, nakalusot. Nolasco atake, tumira, wala. Rebound ng Pinag. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Out that pass, makuha ni Ortiz. Ortiz, for three. No good. Rebound ng Central. Uy, nakalusot. Number 11, stop and pop and gets the foul. Official timeout tayo. Time remaining 6 minutes and 2 seconds. Timeout. Okay, back to the ball game. Basket para kay Nolasco. Nangyari po, sorry. Official score 27-9. Violation tayo dun. Second shot para kay Nolasco. 28-9. Lim. Pinaas sa corner. Tumira. No good. Rebound by Galimba. Using the board. No good. Number 9. Basket. Sa foul. With the ball. There's the foul. Nolasco. No good. Number 1, size 7, gets a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 1, Aki Marcos. Oh, wala pala. Sorry, correction. Out of bounds. Floater, wala. Si last touch. Yes, the shot, too strong. Ibang Bayaki. Nolasco. Floater, wala. What a spin, wala pa rin. Rebound by Kalimba. Oh, still, number 24. Oh, bumali sa ere. Lumalaki na po ang alamangan ng San Juan Central. Ortiz. Pass to Lim. Lim, sidestep, no good. Defensive rebound by Lim. And that's a down. Here comes Nolasco. Pass to number 28. No good. Rebound. Out that pass. Ay na si Lim. Sidestep. Basket para kay Lim. Umahabol na ang pinaglabanan. 15-point lead para sa San Juan Central. Aki. Pass to number 24 from elbow 3. No good. Rebound. Agukay. Marami second. Oh, still. Number 9. What an extra pass. Basket para sa San Juan Central. Ayan na si Ortiz. Ortiz enters a foul. Shooting on the line and jersey number 18, Ortiz. No good. Second shot, basket. Here comes Aki. Marcos, pass to Nolasco. Nolasco, 4-3. Short, rebound. Makuha ni Ortiz. Ortiz, uy, nabitawan. Steal by Nolasco. Nolasco, nabitawan din. Nastila din. Oh, another steal. Steal by Nolasco. Nolasco tumira, wala. Rebound by Ortiz. Ortiz may nagmamadali. Ayan na si Ortiz. Dere-derecho. Akin na to. Wala. Rebound. Ng Central. Ayan na. Wala. Rebound by 0-0. Ayan na. Uy. Na-steal ulit. Steal. Nagkarabola, Ortiz against the basket. 8-0, still. 2 against 1, Ortiz, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Marcos. And that's the end of our first half. Official score, 18-32. In favor pa rin sa San Juan Integrated School. Okay, halftime tayo. At magbabalik. Para sa third quarter. Okay, bola dito ng pinaglaban Central. Wala. Number 4, wala. Out of bounds, bola ng Pinag. Dugay. What a spin! Oh! Nakalusot. Double zero. Babasa doon sa ang alamangan ng San Juan Integrated. Wow, bad pass. Still by number 8. Oh, naka-arg over. Lim from elbow 3. No good. Rebound ng Central. Ay na, number 21. Wala. Rebound by Lim. Outlet pass. Ortiz. All the way. Basket. Mabasa 10 na lamang ang hinahabol ng San Juan sa pinaglabanan. Number 12, crossover, pinasa sa corner. Number 4, jump shot, wala. Rebound, number 25. And he gets a foul. Rep. Saglit na. Official score po natin, 24-32. Correction. (24-30) lang po ito ha. Lamang pa rin ang San Juan Integrated. A lane violation. There's a foul. Number 25 shooting for 2. Official score po natin na 30-24. Hindi na kasi mabawasan. Sorry, my bad. Wala. Tumama sa ring. (30-26). 4-point lead. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Ayun na, mahabol na ang pinaglabanan. Oy. Ortiz. Spin. Tumira. Bang! Ayan na, dalawa na lamang po ang hinahabol. 30-28. 30 pa lang po yung asan naman po sobra lang po yung lagay. Oy, wala. Rebound by Flores. Flores, pass to number 00. Ayun na, naibaba. Double. Oh, last touch. 30 lang po ito Di na po kasi mapindot. Sorry. Time out. San Juan Integrated School. 30 lamang po. Official score po natin. 30-28. Time remaining 5 minutes and 36 seconds. Pasensya na po, di po mabawasan. Nasobra yung lagay ko po. 30 lang po, 30-28. Dalawa na lamang po ang hinahabol ng Pinag. Bola ng Sentral. Dito. Debuke. Pass to Nolasco. 4-3, short, rebound, makuha ng Sentral. Ano ang pinaglabanan? Ayan na. 0-0, nagmamadali, umatake. Pinoy step, shoot, no good. Rebound ng San Juan. Oy, back pass, number 21, no good. Rebound ng San Juan Central. Ayan na. Uy, libre sa 3. Short. Rebound. Makuha number 7. Wala. Rebound by Galimba. Steal. Pass to number 13. Binigay sa elbow. 4-3. Wala. Rebound by number 0. Ayan na, double team. Binigay. Naunti ka na. Lim. Bounce pass. Number 21, pass to 0-0, 4-3, wala. Rebound ng San Juan Central, ayan na, number 24, too strong. Rebound by number 8, Lim, steal, uy, walang makakuha. Naka-recover, Nolasco, bad pass, naka-recover. Number 21, steal, by 0-0. Oh, sorry, that's number 21, and out of bounds. Time remaining 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Bola dito ng San Juan Central. Nolasco. Pinasa sa corner. Libre sa 3. Ayan na. In and out. Rebound. Borromeo. Basket. 32-28 na po ang ating score. Ayan na. Binigay. Nolasco, naka-recover, 0-0. 0-0, atake. Rep. Perep. Back to the ball game, Nolasco, may tangan ng bola. Here comes Nolasco. Pinasa. Number 21. Pass to Nolasco. Nolasco naka-recover. Steal by Lim. Out that pass. Steal by number 21. Uy, munti ka na magawan. Now Borromeo. Floater. No good. Rebound. Gets the foul. Borromeo, jump shot, in and out, rebound. Out of bounds. Time remaining 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Wala, rebound. Yes, the foul. Borromeo rocks it down. 34-28. Balik sa anim ang kalamangan ng San Juan Integrated School. Oh. Time out. Pinaglabanan. Hadal ng pinaglabanan. Lumogin tayo, bola ng San Juan Central. Number 21, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Borromeo. Borromeo, no good. Makulit ni Borromeo, binigay. Get the shot, and there's a foul. Two shots para jersey number 9. Of San Juan Central. Basket. Second shot is good. 2 for 2 by jersey number 9. 1 minute and 35 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Ayan na si Ortiz. Steal by number 24. Gets a 3, no good. Rebound. Short. And he got the basket. Balik ulit sa 10 ang hinahabol ng pinaglabanan. Manalo. Pass number 13. Basket. Lumalaki na po ang kalamangan ng San Juan Integrated School. Oh, gets the foul. Manalo, back to Lim. Lim. Rep. Rep, pero mas space lang. Thank you. Nakarawan tayo. Sorry po. 3, 2, 1. Oopsie. Gets the foul. On the free throw area for 2 shots para kay Borromeo. Basket. Second shot, in and out. Okay, end of the third quarter. Official score 41-30. Shout out, shout out. Ayan oh, proud mommy oh. Kay Mrs. Galimba and Mrs. Manalo. Shout out doon syempre kila paring Rayleigh and paring Coach Galimba. Bad pass. Wala. Out of bounds. Pinaglabanan Integrated Apelong Taban Elementary School basketball. Too strong. Bounce pass. Wala nagagawan. That's a jump ball. Manalo coming in for number 21. Kick out. Uy. That's a traveling. By Nolasco. Nolasco. Hoy! Double dribble. Time remaining 7 minutes and 23 seconds. Bola ng pinaglabanan. Number 0. Side step and gets a foul. Agukay shooting for 2 for that. First shot para kay Kiel. Agukay. Basket is good. To 41, baba sa single digit ang lamang ng San Juan Central. Last 7 minutes tayo. Marcos, Aki, pass to Nolasco, back to Aki. Aki for 3, bang! 3 points ba? 3 points para kay Aki. 44 to 32. Agukay, may tanga na bola. Pass to Flores. Flores, fake. Binigay. Tumira. Basket. Baba sa 10 ang kalamangan. ng San Juan Integrated School. Aki to Nolasco, back to Aki, nice fake, bounce pass. Gets a foul.
Prep. Pengen ako space sa kita.
No good. Second shot para kay jersey number 25. Basket. 45 to 34. 11-point lead para sa San Juan Central. Ortiz. Oy! Gets the foul. Manalo, pass to Agukay. Kel. Uy. Ortiz for 3. Ayan na. Malapit na tayo sa dulo. 45 to 37. 3-point para kay Ortiz. Nolasco, babawi sa tres. Basket. Para kay Nolasco, 48 to 37. Ay na, Ortiz, may taka ng bola. Ortiz, spin move, tumira. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Out of bounds. Time out. Pinaglabanan. Elementary School. Time remaining 4 minutes and 54 seconds. 48 to 37. Tingnan natin ang adal ang pinaglabanan dito. Ball game, bola ng San Juan Integrated School. Oh, number 4, basket. Lim. Oh, still. Ay na, number 24, back to Nolasco. Wala. Nolasco, 4 against 1. Wala nang bumaba sa pinaglabanan. 52 to 37. Lumalaki na po ang kalamangan ng San Juan Integrated. Oh! Last touch. San Juan Integrated School Basketball. Mahaba-haba pa to, 4 minutes. Nolasco. Hand off. Number 21, back to Nolasco. Nolasco, pass to number 4. Number 4, floater, throw good. Rebound. Ayan na, si Agukay. Kiel. Oy! And there's a foul. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Bola ng sentro ng pinaglabanan. Agukay. May taka ng bola. Pass to Lim. Lim, fake. Lim, atake. High pick up, got the pass to Galimba na bitawan. Wala pa rin. Makukuha. Still, ayun na. Out of bounds. Last touch. Bola dito ng San Juan Integrated School. Ayun na, nagmamadali si Nolasco. Nolasco binigay. Tumira at nakalusot si number 25. Time out. Pinaglabanan. Elementary School. Okay, last game po natin. Nicanor Ibuna versus Pedro Cruz. Back to the ball game. Alright, bola dito ng pinaglabanan, Elementary School. Ayan na. Number 8. Pass to Lim. Lim. Uy! Sayang, no good. Rebound. Ayan na, si number 25. Pinigay, fake. Fade away shot. Basket by number 12. 56 to 37, biggest lead of the game. Ayan na, si Lim. Uy, nabitawan. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 3 seconds.
Uli, uli!
Bola rito ng pinaglabanan. Substitution. Ayan na. Lee maglalabas ng bola. Pass to number 8 for 3. Oy! 3-point attempt para kay Nunez. Jersey number 9. No shot para kay Nunez. Shoutout kay Angelica Taraya is watching from Barangay Batis. Ayan, kamusta ka dyan, Angelica Taraya? Angge? Okay, second shot para kay Nunez. Nunez, basket! 38 to 56. Babasa, 18 ang kalamangan ng San Juan Central. Wala na tayo sa 2 minuto. Ayan na, binigay. Number 6, no good. Rebound. Makukuha ng Pinag. Oh, still. Number 12, basket is good. Hindi ko mabasa yung apelido niya, sorry. Ayan na. Nunez, pass to. Uy, what a fake. Makukuha ni Manalo. Manalo, looking for his teammate. Manalo, pass to.
Uli yan, uli!
Binigay, Nunez. Nunez, umatake. Too strong, rebound. Ay na, nagagawan. Uy. Last touch. Thank you. Ay na. Bola ng Pinag. Uy, there's a foul. Last 57 seconds remaining. Substitution. A penalty. Thank you. 2 shots para jersey number 10. Idol, di ko mabasa. Oh, wala.
Ano pa rin na number 12?
Marcades.
Ha?
Marcades.
Marcades? Marcades?
Marcades.
Marcades. Okay, okay. Hindi ko masyado mabasa layo.
Ano yan, anak mo? Ah. Yeah, husay din eh. Ay! Good hustle para sa San Juan. Integrated ang 4 team. Yan, shoutout natin on next game. Pedro Cruz versus Nicanor Ibuna. Hey, shoutout! Next game po natin yan.
Shoutout sa mama ko, di nanood.
Ah, hindi na nanood. Shoutout daw sa papa niya, hindi na nanood. Pare, may sinasabi siya. Idol, Rama. On the free throw area, jersey number 13, Manalo. Uy, wala. Shoutout kay parang Riley Manalo. At sa kanyang may bahay na si Miss Manalo nandito. Na nanonood nating soccer venue. Oh, good. Ayan na, rebound. Uy, what a pass. Uy, nice fake. Fade away shot. In and out. Rebound. Ni Nunez. Last 20 seconds. Oh, steal. Another steal ba? Ayan na ang San Juan Central. Steal by Nunez. Uy. Last 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. What a nice game from both teams. Our final score, 58-38. Nice game for both teams, especially sa San Juan Integrated School and Pinaglabanan. And congratulations to our winning team, ang San Juan Integrated. Baka may gusto ko shoutout, pare. Shoutout. Shoutout? Ayan, oh.
Portado, Pedro Cruz yan.
Yan, oh. Pedro Cruz. Okay, let's go. Balik tayo sa ating next game, our final game for this day. Pedro Cruz versus Nicanor Ibuna. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.